Hey everyone! If you're itching to uncover a place that's bursting with scenic views, rich culture, and mouth-watering cuisine, then Italy is your next stop. Let me take you on a quick journey through the land of art, history, and pasta. Imagine standing atop the rolling hills of Tuscany, the sun setting in hues of orange and pink behind the endless vineyards. But Italy isn't just about the views. The culture here is as rich as its history. Walking through cities like Rome, Florence, or Venice is like stepping back in time. And let's not forget the festivals. From the gondolas parading during Venice Carnival to the explosion of fireworks at Florence's La Notte Bianca, the Italian spirit is alive and vibrant. Now, on to my favorite part, the food. Italian cuisine goes way beyond pizza and pasta. Each dish tells a story of the region's traditions and the local ingredients that are used. And oh, the wine. Visiting a local vineyard to taste a glass of Chianti or Prosecco is an absolute must. And we can't talk about Italy without mentioning the warmth of its people. Italians are known for their hospitality and zest for life. Whether it's through a shared meal or a friendly chat on the street, they're sure to make you feel like part of the family. So, are you ready to explore Italy? Trust me, this country has a way of capturing your heart and taste buds like no other.